Good morning, students. Today we have learned about Unit 2, topic name is Electricity, book bag evaluation. Students take the textbook in page number 32. Book bag evaluation. First one is choose the correct answers. First one that is in the circuit diagram below 10 units of electric charge move past point X every second. What is the current in this circuits? So answer is option A 10A. Then second one is in the circuit shown which switches L, M or N must be closed to light up the bulb. So answer is option D either switch L or switches M and N. Third one, small amounts of electrical current are measured in a milliampere. How many milliampere are there in 0.25 A? Answer is option C 250 MA. In which of the following circuits are the bulb connected in series? So pictures கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, 4 pictures are given below. Then answer is B, option B, second picture. The second one is fill in the blanks. The direction to conventional current is dash to electron flow. So answer is opposite. Then second one unit of coulomb is a charge of approximately dash protons or electrons. 6.2242 into 10 power 18. Third one, dash is used to measure the electric current, ammeter. Then fourth one, in connecting materials, electrons are dash bounded with atom loosely. Then fifth one, SI unit of electrical conductivity of the conductor is dash Siemens by meter, bracket S by M. Then third one, true or false. If false, give the correct answers. Electron flow is in the same direction to conventional current flows. The statements are wrong. So answer is false. The correct statements are electron flow is in the opposite directions to conventional current flow. Then second one, the fuse wire does not melt whenever there is overload in the wiring. So statements are wrong. So answer is false. The correct statement is the fuse wire melts whenever there is overload in the wiring. Third one, in a parallel circuit, the electric components are divided into branches. Statements are true. The answer is true. The representations of the electric current is are கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So statements are wrong. The correct statements, so answer is false. Correct statements are the representation of the electric current is capital I. Then fifth one, the electrical conductivity of the semiconductor is the between conductor and the insulator. Statements are true. The so answer is correct, true. Then fourth one, match the following. Cell. So the answer is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Second one, switch used to open or a closed circuit. Third one, circuit. So a complete path of flow of electrical current. Fourth one, miniature circuit breaker. Then fourth one, reset by hand. Circuit became complete once again. Fifth one, fuse, safety device used in electric circuit. Then sixth one, analogy, water pipe. So electric current dash. Answer is wire. Copper connector, wood dash insulator. Length meter scale, current ammeter. Milliampere, microampere, 10 minus 3 A. So 10 power 6 A. Then acceleration and reason. First one is acceleration A. Copper is to make a electric wires. Reason, copper has very low electric resistance. So answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Second one, acceleration and insulator do not allow the flow of current through themselves. Reason, they have no free charge carriers. Option A, if both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. And seventh one, very short answer. What is the speed of electric current? So for answer is current travels at the speed of 1 by 100 times of speed of light 0.002 meter by second. And second question, what is the SI unit of electrical conductivity? The SI unit of electrical conductivity is Siemens by meter bracket S divided by S by M. Third one, name the device used to generate electricity. Answer, electric cell. Fourth one, define fuse. Electric fuse is a safety device which is used to in household wiring and many appliances. Right? Fifth one, name some devices that run using heat effect on electric current. Example, answer is electric bulb, geyser and iron box. And sixth one, name few insulator, rubber, wood, plastic and glass. Then seventh one, what is the battery? Batteries are the collections of one or more cells whose chemical reactions create a flow of electrons in a circuit. Okay students, thank you.